Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to PHP section. This is Review. In the next lesson, you'll start creating your own PHP code. Take a second to review what you already know about PHP. Despite its age, PHP is still commonly used technology in web development. PHP is designed to interact with HTML to generate dynamic websites. Embedding PHP in HTML is done by placing PHP code between this here and that there, which are called tags. Every statement in PHP must be terminated with a semicolon. PHP files have a .php extension, and the file always starts with the opening PHP tag. The closing tag is implied and left out by convention. White space is generally ignored when executing PHP code. Keywords are not case sensitive in PHP. As a convention, use the standard casing. Single line comments are made in PHP using hashtag or //. Multi-line comments are placed between /* and */. As long as you guys are getting these concepts and you guys got the introduction to PHP section, and I'll see you in the next one.